Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to buy Bitcoin on Trading 212. First, open the Trading 212 app and make sure you're on the crypto section. You can check by tapping the menu in the top left corner and selecting crypto. Now, search for Bitcoin in the search bar. Once you're on the Bitcoin page, tap Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest. Trading 212 has a minimum crypto purchase, so adjust the amount if needed. Then tap Review Order. If everything looks correct, tap Send Buy Order to confirm your purchase. And that's it. You've successfully bought Bitcoin on Trading 212. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.